Welcome to 2620 Fremont Avenue in Columbus, Georgia. This fantastic home is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 1,700 square feet. With stunning updates throughout, this one is an easy choice. This kitchen is amazing, totally renovated with a fresh modern style. The farmhouse sink overlooks the backyard, and with easy access to the patio, this layout is ideal for entertaining. Located in Midtown, this home has so much to offer. The neighborhood setting is beautiful, and the proximity to shopping, restaurants, and access to J.R. Allen Parkway means your busy lifestyle is made easy. The backyard scene is stellar and ready for lounging or hanging out with friends and family. This is 2620 Fremont Avenue in Columbus, located in Midtown. Come check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.